Hey guys, we received this Hawimo Bento lunchbox set for kids with 8 ounce soup thermo. So this also comes with a lunch bag. So let's open this. It's a leak-proof lunch containers with a 4 compartment and can be used by kids. Is a hot food jar and an insulated lunch bag. So let's open this. So this one have this blue color and the blue color lunch bag. So let's just open this lunch bag and see. So from outside, it's a leak-proof and the waterproof. You can see it. It's a nice, simple design. And then it's a zipper on the top. And then just open this. So this is a bento box inside and a cutlery thing. So it's a spoon and a fork that comes with it. So this is good for the kids, not pinching or harming. And then you can just clean it easily. This one is the bento box. So from the outside, you can see this looks like a great color combination and looks really nice and attractive. So this one have like a unique design that I will show you later on. But this is the lunchbox. So it's a leak proof, as you can see the clipping. This is the soup jar. So here, this is a container. So it's a nice design. As you can see, you can have a soup here and then easy to close, and then it's a leak proof design as well. Just close this and then it's good to put in the box. It's a divider there, you can make a compartment section, and then there's a two section in here, and also like this closing so that this will be a leak proof design. I like this soup jar. This is a new thing for me as I not seen it in the previous bento boxes. And then you can just click and lock it. So this will become a leak proof and a nice design. Then you can just put in your lunch bags, easy to carry, easy to clean, and then easy to take your stuff. You can change in the partition with the sandwich and the soup, or take it without the soup. It's up to you. A nice lunch box.